What if the next pandemic came from space? In this video, we explore the intriguing possibility of a pandemic originating beyond our planet. Welcome, curious minds. Today, we embark on a thought-provoking journey that combines our fascination with outer space and the real threat of pandemics. From the devastating Spanish flu to the recent COVID-19 outbreak, pandemics have shaped our societies and challenged our healthcare systems. But what if the next pandemic had a different origin altogether? Scientists have contemplated the possibility of microorganisms surviving in space and potentially hitchhiking on interstellar objects or even human-made probes. Life beyond our planet is a possibility we can't ignore. Microorganisms are remarkably resilient, and if they can survive extreme conditions on Earth, why not in space? Encountering new forms of life in space could present risks, including the introduction of unknown pathogens to our biosphere. Throughout this video, we'll delve into the hypotheticals, the risks, and the potential responses to a pandemic originating from the depths of space. So fasten your seatbelts as we explore the cosmic realm where the unknown meets contagion. Join me on this cosmic exploration as we navigate the uncharted territories of pandemics from space. To understand the impact of a pandemic from space, let's reflect on the lessons learned from past pandemics that originated on Earth. Throughout history, pandemics have shaped our understanding of infectious diseases and the global response to them. Take the Spanish flu, one of the deadliest pandemics in history. It struck in 1918, infecting 1/3 of the global population and causing millions of deaths. In more recent times, the H1N1 influenza virus, also known as the swine flu, emerged as a global threat, leading to widespread illness and economic disruption. And of course, the COVID-19 pandemic, which has profoundly affected our lives, highlighting the challenges of a highly contagious and potentially lethal disease. By studying the origins, transmission patterns, and societal impact of these pandemics, we gain valuable insights that help us prepare for future threats, even those that may come from the depths of space. Join us as we explore the possibilities of a pandemic from space and how we can draw from our collective knowledge to face the unknown. Is it possible for a pandemic to originate from space? Scientists have pondered this intriguing question for years. We delve into the realm of possibilities and explore the scientific basis behind the idea of microorganisms originating in space. Microorganisms are incredibly resilient. They have been found thriving in the most extreme conditions on Earth, such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents and Antarctica's frozen landscapes. If microorganisms can adapt and survive in such harsh environments on Earth, it raises the question, could they also endure the conditions of space? The extreme temperatures, radiation, and vacuum of space pose significant challenges, but it's not implausible to think that some microorganisms could potentially survive or even thrive in space. These discussions push the boundaries of our understanding, prompting us to consider the potential for interstellar objects or even human-made probes to carry microorganisms that could pose a risk to our planet. As we continue our exploration, we'll delve deeper into the mysteries of space and the potential consequences of encountering unknown pathogens beyond our world. The search for extraterrestrial life has captivated our imaginations for centuries. But what are the risks associated with encountering new forms of life beyond Earth? We dive into the exciting realm of the search for extraterrestrial life and the potential implications it holds for the spread of pandemics. Scientists and organizations worldwide are engaged in a tireless quest to detect signs of life beyond our planet. From scanning distant exoplanets to analyzing the composition of Mars, the search for extraterrestrial life is an ongoing endeavor. While the discovery of extraterrestrial life would be monumental, we must be cautious about potential risks associated with encountering new organisms. If we were to encounter microorganisms from another world, we need to carefully assess their potential effects on Earth's biosphere. The concern lies in the possibility that these alien microorganisms could introduce novel pathogens to our planet, potentially leading to unforeseen consequences. As we venture into the unknown, we must strike a balance between scientific exploration and the preservation of our planet's delicate ecosystem. Interstellar travel and the potential transport of microorganisms have captivated the scientific community. But what are the risks associated with bringing extraterrestrial life back to Earth? We explore the fascinating world of interstellar travel and the implications it holds for the introduction of alien microorganisms. Human-made probes, such as the Voyager spacecraft, have ventured beyond our solar system, carrying a piece of humanity into the depths of space. As our space exploration efforts expand, we must consider the possibility of these probes returning to Earth with microorganisms that have never encountered our biosphere. The risk lies in the potential introduction of alien pathogens that could have detrimental effects on our ecosystems and health. To mitigate these risks, strict protocols and containment measures are put in place to prevent any potential contamination. As we continue to push the boundaries of exploration, we must remain vigilant in our efforts to protect our planet and understand the consequences of interstellar travel. The vastness of space holds potential dangers for our planet. What if space contamination poses a threat to life on Earth? In this segment, we explore the concept of space contamination and its potential consequences for our planet. Space debris, such as spent rocket stages and defunct satellites, re-enter Earth's atmosphere, often burning up in the process. But what if they carry microorganisms that survive this fiery descent? While the likelihood of space debris carrying viable microorganisms is low, it's not entirely impossible. In the event that extraterrestrial microorganisms do survive re-entry, they could potentially introduce new pathogens to our ecosystems. To prevent space contamination, measures are taken to minimize the risks. These include spacecraft sterilization protocols and careful monitoring of space debris. As we continue to explore the cosmos, it's crucial to balance our curiosity with the need to protect our planet from potential contamination. To prepare for the possibility of a pandemic from space, scientists and organizations are developing strategies to mitigate potential risks. In this segment, we explore the critical topic of mitigation strategies to address the potential threats of a space-originated pandemic. Scientists are researching innovative methods to detect, monitor, and contain potential extraterrestrial microorganisms that may pose risks to human health and ecosystems. Early detection and surveillance systems are crucial to identifying potential pathogens before they become widespread. Strict quarantine and containment protocols would be necessary to prevent the introduction and spread of alien microorganisms in case of a space-originated pandemic. Collaboration among scientists, space agencies, and public health organizations is essential to develop robust mitigation strategies that can be implemented in the event of such an unprecedented scenario. By investing in research, technology, and international cooperation, we can better prepare ourselves to face the challenges of a pandemic from space. Public awareness and education play a vital role in preparing for the potential risks of a pandemic from space. We explore the importance of public awareness and education in fostering preparedness and resilience. By informing the public about the possibilities and implications of a pandemic from space, we can promote understanding and proactive measures. Educating the public about the potential risks and the importance of responsible space exploration can help foster a sense of collective responsibility. By engaging in science communication and promoting accurate information, we can empower individuals to make informed decisions and contribute to global preparedness efforts. Public awareness campaigns, educational programs, and the dissemination of reliable information are key to equipping society with the knowledge needed to navigate the challenges of a space-originated pandemic. Let's work together to ensure that public awareness and education serve as powerful tools in safeguarding our planet from potential threats beyond our atmosphere.
Global cooperation and preparedness are essential in effectively responding to the potential risks of a space-originated pandemic. We explore the importance of collaboration among nations and preparedness measures to tackle the challenges of a pandemic from space. Space agencies, scientific institutions, and governments worldwide are uniting efforts to establish protocols and share knowledge to address the potential risks associated with extraterrestrial microorganisms. By fostering international collaboration, we can pool resources, expertise, and technology to develop effective strategies and response plans. Global data sharing and coordinated monitoring systems can help detect and respond to any potential space-originated pathogens swiftly. Preparing for a space-originated pandemic requires a united global front, where nations work together to safeguard the well-being of humanity and our planet. Let's strive for international cooperation, preparedness, and information sharing to face the challenges of a pandemic from space as a united global community. As we conclude our exploration of the potential of a pandemic from space, it becomes clear that preparedness, awareness, and global cooperation are paramount. Throughout this journey, we have delved into the realms of possibility, contemplating the risks and strategies surrounding space-originated pandemics. From the historical lessons of pandemics to the search for extraterrestrial life, from the risks of space contamination to the importance of public awareness and global cooperation, we have examined the multifaceted aspects of this topic. While the likelihood of a pandemic from space remains uncertain, it is crucial that we remain vigilant, adaptable, and united in our efforts to safeguard humanity. By harnessing scientific advancements, prioritizing education, and fostering international collaboration, we can enhance our preparedness for any future threats, whether they arise from our planet or beyond.